For our next experiment, you will need a glass bottle, a boiled egg, a matchbox, and a piece of paper. So, are you ready to begin the experiment? At first, when I place the boiled egg over the bottle, it doesn't go in because the egg is bigger than the mouth of the bottle. So what we are going to do next is so the egg went into the bottle. You know why that happened? As we all know, fire needs oxygen to burn, and when it burns inside the bottle, it uses up all the oxygen, and therefore what remains is vacuum. This vacuum creates a pressure that pulls the egg into it. So now you know how the egg went into the bottle. So I hope you found all the experiments that we did easy and useful, and I hope you now have learned some science and you have learned the science behind these experiments. So please do share these videos with your friends and subscribe to Pebbles channel, and you can continue watching our videos. Thank you.